Come take a look. Once you open this oil cap, I can tell you what's wrong with your car. I've been fixing cars for years. Today, I'll share all my experience with you. First, after starting the car, if you feel strong suction when opening the oil cap, it's likely a bad exhaust valve. This can cause the engine to burn oil. Just replace the exhaust valve and the problem's solved. Second, check for lots of black sludge under the oil cap. If present, it means the car was using fake oil before. Always check this first when buying a used car. Otherwise, you might need major repairs soon after purchase. Third, if your car lacks power and has high fuel consumption, open the oil cap and smell it. A strong gasoline smell means the high-pressure fuel pump is faulty. Replace it and the problem's solved. Fourth, if you see a lot of milky white fluid under the oil cap, it means water's in the oil, likely from a bad oil cooler. Replace it and the problem's solved. Fifth, after starting the car, open the oil cap. If there's high pressure or oil spraying out, the engine cylinders are badly worn. The piston rings are shot. Avoid buying used cars with this issue at all costs. 6. If you hear a whistling noise that stops when you open the oil cap, it's likely a bad crankshaft seal causing an air leak. The crankcase ventilation system is faulty. Replace it and the problem's solved. 7th, don't just trust mechanics on what oil to use. They often recommend what's most profitable for them. Check the oil cap or manual for the correct oil grade for your car. Use that and you'll be fine. Simple, right? Easy to remember these tips. I've made a chart for you. Save it for future reference. Now you won't get ripped off at the mechanic. Thanks for watching.